There's a special kind of silence that happens in Bengaluru. It's the moment when someone says something in Kannada and your brain just quietly shuts down like, system rebooting, please wait. But the good news, you only need a few simple everyday expressions to avoid that mini heart attack forever. Let me show you. Welcome to Learn Kannada. I am Bhumi, Nimma Kannadada Hudgi, and I'll take you from Gottilla to got it, naturally, confidently, and one useful phrase at a time. And if you ever want more speaking practice, listening exercises, or real-life dialogues, you'll find all of that inside the AirLearn app. Now, ready to learn the 40 expressions you'll actually use every single day? Let's get started. Now, let's start with some basic everyday words. These are tiny expressions you'll hear everywhere in Bengaluru. Saku, enough. Beda, no or don't want. Bunny, come in a polite way. Hogi, go. Nodi, look. Keli, listen. Kairi, wait. Tayaru, ready. Illi, here. Alli, there. Short, simple, perfect for real life moments. Now let's look at some polite Kannada. These will help you a lot. These expressions make you instantly respectful and friendly. Dhanyavada, thank you. Kshamisi, sorry or excuse me. Yava tondare illa, no problem. Chintisabeda, don't worry. Swalpa kairi, please wait. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ, ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಲೌಡರ್. ನನ್ನನ್ನು ನಂಬಿ, ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಮೀ. ನನಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ, ಶೋ ಮೀ. ಅದನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಟಬೇಡ ಆರ್ ಬೇಡಿ, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟಚ್ ಇಟ್. ತಡ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡಿಲೇ. Perfect for everyday interactions with autos, shops and offices. Now let's learn how to start conversations. It should feel easy, right? Use these when meeting people, asking doubts or trying to understand something. Hegiddira, which is how are you in a polite way. Hegiddiya, how are you in a casual way. Eshtu dura, how far. Eshtu samaya beku, how much time. Samasye yenu, which means what's the problem. Neevu yen heltira, what do you say. Yaru hogtare, who will go. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸವಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ವೇರ್ ಡು ಯು ಲಿವ್. ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಕಾ, ಡು ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ದೀಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್. Now let's look at some replies. If you want smooth conversations, these are important. Use these all the time. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, which means I am fine. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, it's good. ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, no issue. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, I don't know. ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು, I understood. ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, I did not understand. ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, I did it. ನಾನು ಮರೆತೆ, I forgot. ಇದು ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ, it's nearby. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ, don't go there. Perfect for work, home and daily situations. Let's do a little real life practice. Namaskara, hegiddira. Hello, how are you? Nanu ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. I'm fine, how are you? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಯಿರಿ, ನನಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ. Wait a little, show me. ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ. I didn't understand, speak louder. Idu saku, dhanyavada. This is enough, thank you. See, that feels like a real Bengaluru moment already. Remember, every new Kannada phrase you try brings you closer to feeling at home here. So the next time your auto driver, neighbor or security guard speaks to you in Kannada, don't freeze. Just try one of these expressions. People genuinely appreciate the effort. And if you want more guided lessons, speaking practice and real-life conversations, the AirLearn app has everything you need. Short lessons, audio practice, quizzes, all designed for everyday life in Karnataka. ಬೇಗ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಸಿ ಯು ಸೂನ್.